Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal, and this one is for February of 2025. This is our original club, the one that ships on the 6th of the month. Our Scripture Club ships on the 21st of the month, so if you're interested in the Scripture Club or the original club, you can get more info in the description below. This one is cute. This is a set you're going to want to keep close to your desk, close to where you work all the time, because you're going to use it over and over again. You will wear this one out. Are you ready? This one is called Best Day Ever. I think this is so adorable. These big sentiments. This one here, and if you turn it here, it says Best Day Ever here as well. Then you have all these little words to go with it. This is kind of a throwback to what we used to do all the time, and I really wanted to do that with this one because there's so many days we can celebrate, right? How about this? Make today the best day ever. Celebrate big. Happiness looks good on you. Hope this birthday is the best day ever. Best day ever. Make memories that last. May this be your best day ever. Let the fun begin. Hope you have the best day ever, and you made this the best day ever. Then one more here. Every day with you is the best day ever. Then you have some really cute little celebratory little pieces that you can stick around to kind of jazz it up. I love this very much. I will be using this tonight in my live show at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I have an idea to make a card with this I want you to see. But in the meantime, let me show you some samples from Miss Opal and Miss Geneva. Look at this one. This is so pretty. It says, make today the, and when you open it up, best day ever. And look at this cardstock that she used. Very mystery card worthy, right? You could do this. You can make a bunch of these with mystery card style. Love that one. And then this, how about some bright, bold black and white? Hope this birthday is the best day ever. And when you open up on the inside, celebrate big, make memories that last, let the fun begin. Super cute. And then one more. Every day with you is the best day ever. And when you open this one up, she put several of the sentiments and then she chose make memories that last. Isn't that cute? I love that. I think these are super cute. And I cannot wait to see what you guys make with the set. And as always, you know, if you make a project using the stamp set and you post it to our customer gallery, you are entered to win a $50 gift card, which you might be the winner of last month. You want to check the first line of the description of this video to see if you were that winner. Thank you so much for being part of our club, and join me tonight, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on my channel here on YouTube, and we'll be playing with this one. And I'm going to be making, hopefully, a shaker card. I got a plan. We'll see how it works out. Till next time, bye now.